Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will share some of the initial challenges specific to our new project, the 1941 9N tractor. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, projects, and yard work. This is a continuation of our videos which introduced this vintage tractor project and shared some of the general information about Ford 9N tractors. Although a common tractor in some parts, anything near us and is this old is usually rotted from rust and wear. This tractor has a little bit of surface rust and a lot of wear and tear, but it still had something that caught my attention. I've been wanting a tractor for a while, then this became available recently. Although I'm interested in all kinds of machinery, the history and utility of this tractor had me interested. This tractor was purchased from a working agricultural farm, but was said to have been parked for a year. The person who maintained this tractor tried to jump-start it, but unfortunately it did not start at the time. Along with the crank no start status, we will review the initial condition of this machine. There is significant surface rust throughout the machine. As seen, all tires are in bad condition, but luckily for now the tire tubes hold air. All wheels have surface rust, but one rear wheel is rotted at the edge and the other has oil, possibly from an axle seal leak. There are a few signs of transmission fluid leaks along the case. The bushings for the front axles will need to be reinstalled. Although there are signs of other leaks along the case, nothing serious has fallen to the floor such as fuel, engine oil, or coolant. Even with the engine up and running, other general maintenance such as changing the oil and replacing the spark plugs will still need to be done. Well, the work is cut out for us, but I still think it will be worth the effort as long as the tractor becomes a functional machine that can help around the yard. I hope that you'll enjoy the progress as I share it with you in the upcoming videos on the TryAdaptLearn channel. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.